Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.
Hey, it's John Oast from Fishyaker.com. Here is a tool that any serious kayaker really should have in their toolbox. It's a plastic welder or plastic welding iron. You can find these on eBay for, say, $25-ish. Most of them will ship them to you with free shipping. Harbor Freight also carries them for about 15 bucks. You may have to pay freight on top of that, though. The one I have here is got from a seller on eBay. When you order this, it'll come with the actual tool here, a piece of screen mesh, some plastic strips, and a wire brush, and then simply a little stand like this, so basically you don't damage anything with it. The tool is very, very simple, kind of like a curling iron, I guess, but simply plugs into an electrical outlet. It does not have an on or off feature to it. The end of it here gets extremely, extremely hot. So if you have any like scrapes and tags on your kayak, or if you have some small cracks, or if you simply want to build up some plastic area on it, or do some serious repairs, depending on how comfortable you are really getting something this hot around the kayak, it works real well. The piece itself gets extremely hot, like I mentioned. You can simply hold it onto the area, rub it lightly and gently, smooth out areas, or like I said, do substantial repairs on it. But like I said, it gets super, super hot, so you gotta be careful you don't burn yourself or damage anything, especially the kayak. If you let it touch it too long, it can scald the plastic and turn it colors and basically turn it black, or even melt a hole in it, or actually thin down the plastic. But if you're looking for a way to get rid of those little tags and like scrapes on your kayak, or do some minor repairs on it, and you're comfortable enough trying it out, take a look on eBay or Harbor Freight. One of your local hardware stores might even have them. But like I said, it's only about 25 bucks. So it's really good, really handy to have. You have this in conjunction with a heat gun, basically those big heavy-duty industrial type of hair dryers. They're really great tools to have. So take a look on eBay or somewhere like that, pick one up. It can come in really handy, but again, just be careful if you're using it, because if you hold it on the plastic too long, you can mess it up pretty bad, it can burn you, and take a look at them. One other tip that I really have in mind, I always mention about keeping your plastic scraps. Like I said, it comes with this these plastic strips. They don't necessarily match the type of plastic or even the texture or color of your kayak, probably. So remember, if you're doing any type of work on your kayak, say putting in rod holders, things like that, save those scraps. What I actually did with the scraps on one of my the oval shapes of cutout material from one of my hulls, from one of my flush mount rod holders, and I simply took some wire cutters and I cut it into strips similar to this, and I can hold that small strip down over top where I want to do a repair, and I can simply heat and iron it over that, and actually melts that little bit of scrap right back down. The colors will match up. It goes actually off of that kayak, and it works real well, especially better than having a larger piece of plastic. But make it into some thin strips, especially if you're doing repairing cracks and scratches and things like that. But hope the tip helps you out, and as always, please be sure to subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and we'll catch you on the water. Thanks for watching.